Every minute, 2,500 new videos are uploaded on YouTube. We're talking 3.7 million videos on a daily basis. From music to cat videos to videos that teach you how to create binge-worthy video content. It's a lot of content, so the obvious question that you have is, how does someone find my channel when I'm just starting out on YouTube? Welcome to Video State. On this channel I'll teach you how to create binge-worthy video content. So like, subscribe or leave a comment if you want some more. First of all, let me explain the reason for my channel. It's my personal mission to help you create binge-worthy video content. You're putting in all the work, so at least let's get you an audience. I've been creating videos since 2016 for many customers all over the world. From solopreneurs to big corporates, from live action to animation and everything in between. And in January this year, I started a YouTube channel because I wanted to share all my knowledge and experience to help you become a better video creator. And that's just 3 months ago today. Since January the 6th, I uploaded one video every week on a new YouTube account, without any audience or other YouTube channel where I can drive traffic from. 3 months in, I got 550 views, a dozen subscribers and 12 watch hours. We got some micro bingers over here. Now I know that these numbers are not super impressive, but remember the 2,500 extra videos competition that join every minute. From that point of view, it's not a bad start. The most important thing is to keep creating content that educates and entertains people. And that is my main goal here. Now here are 5 takeaways that I learned in my first 3 months here on YouTube. Thumbnail. It's super important to pay attention to your thumbnails. Why? It's the first point of contact of your audience with your video. Remember the video store with all these neatly lined up videotapes waiting for you to pick them? The cover made you pick. And it's why all these YouTubers put all these funny faces on their thumbnails, because they want to grab your attention. Now, as you can see, I use a consistent background for my thumbnails. I talk a lot about movies from the 80s and the 90s, so my thumbnail must reflect that vibe. Do not tell your friends. Indeed, do not promote the first 10 to 20 videos to your family or friends. Instead, go stealth, be patient and generate views of people that are purely interested in your content. I've been hesitant in sharing my channel and videos. And why? Because I'm at the beginning of building my audience. I really want to know who gains value from watching. If I would chase as much as views as possible in the beginning of my channel, I either would get pity views or cheerful views. He's trying something new again. I'll hit like and tell my friends to hit like too. Result, no genuine interest in the content. So how do you attract your right audience then? By posting minimum once every week. Stick to it. I post every Friday at 5 o'clock sharp. So this one time at Bandcamp, I posted at 6 instead of 5. And the result? 0 views. YouTube did not pick that up. And it was a good video. So really make sure that you post your content at the same time every week. Go with the flow. I'm 100% into video content, so my first plans and ideas was to create videos about pre-production, scripting and stuff, but then AI happened. There's so much content to create around AI, more than 200 new apps come out every week. So I try to cover that, but I also want to stick to my own program. And sometimes that works, such as in the video about title sequences, and sometimes it doesn't, like the trailer video. So stay close to your idea, but find that wave where everybody is talking about so you can get some extra exposure. Work with scripts. I want my videos to be short and to the point, so I have to work with scripts. However, it's not my favorite style. I enjoy brainstorming and thinking out loud so I can go deep. However, with my YouTube videos, I need to be clear and to the point in order to keep you hooked. And it's fine to work without a script if you're very clear about what you want to say in the video. You can also work with somewhat of a script, like an outline. Finally, you can work with a tight script, reciting word for word. And this requires preparation, but you'll be able to control your time a little bit more. Another reason that I choose for scripted video now is because I'm Dutch. I'm from the Netherlands. Talking in English and keeping it short is kind of a challenge. It would be easier for me if I could just talk in my own language. Actually, right now, wat ik ga doen is ik ga gewoon zonder script ga ik gewoon nu verder in het Nederlands. En ik ga gewoon praten. En je ziet dat het voor mij makkelijker is om in het Nederlands te praten dan dat ik in het Engels moet doen. So, the bottom line is, having absolutely no audience when you're starting out is actually a pure moment. And all that matters is the action that you take. And to my future self who was watching this, you can go back to the future now. I hope you have some good memories on starting your YouTube channel. Well, that's it for today. I hope you found some value. I'll be back next week. Thanks for watching. Keep punching.